Today we're gonna go explore a cave. Right, guys?
We had a train.
It used to be a train going through it. We're gonna check it out and explore, see if we can find any evidence of the train still.
We made it to the cave. Let's go. Let's get your flashlights on.
Mommy.
Whoa. This is scary, Jackson. Here, take Daddy's hand. It's a little slippery. Big rocks. I'm coming. Oh yeah, there's old railroad ties. Check that out. Oh yeah, definitely. Old railroad ties.
Oh, look at that tail.
What do you see, Jackson? Do you see any bats up there? Not right now. Brandon, I can barely see you. I'm going through puddles. Then we have our rain boots on. Right, Jackson? Brandon's all the way up there. You barely even see him. What do you see, Daddy? I'm sure there are bats up there somewhere. Oh, there's more railroad ties. Oh, and here's another one. They didn't take them all out. Really cool how big this cave is. Can't believe a train used to go through this. Oh, and we're almost at the end. Oh, and Brandon already went through.
Please stay behind the fence.
What do you see over there, Brandon?
And then that one.
Alright. Maybe we should go down there then.
Let me see.
Down that way.
Oh yeah, I guess the railroad used to go over top of those.
Yep. It's crazy.
And this is the Lehigh River.
The other side then. Definitely.
You got here quick.
We're the fastest.
Giant cave. You can only see a tiny bit on the other side. Whoa, you rock climbing. Where are you, Jackson? Ooh, you be careful up there. We made it.
Don't drop your flashlight. Looks like your headlamp is about to fall off.
I wonder if this got.
Ooh, we're getting dripped off. Sure.
Oh, there's Brandon. Look at you, Jackson.
You sure you don't want to stand there? Taller than I am.
Are you getting dripped on?
Where's the drip?
Everywhere.
Over here too.
Over there.
That'd be crazy to find.
Yeah, all the way up to the
Lots of dynamite to blow this hole in here.
Oh, yeah. What do you see, Jackson?
What's over there? Oh, there's a hole over there. What do we got?
Just the spider hole?
I think so.
You think so?
No, I don't think so.
Whoa!
Whoa.
I just saw the bottom.
You just saw a spider web.
Yeah.
Let's see what else we can find. Come on, Brandon.
Oh, it's a survivor.
Oh, it's a little fern.
Yep, sure is.
All right. Oh, what did Brandon find?
SC. CC.
Yeah, people in the graffiti.
Look out!
Look up. What's up? Lots of rocks. Yeah? Look for other things, Jackson. What else can you find? Oh, Daddy's doing an echo. Uh-oh, there's dinosaurs in this cave, it sounds like. Big, oh my goodness, it's so bright out there.
Did you turn off your flashlights, bud?
All right,
Made it.
we made it.
It's January.
Yes, it is
Pennsylvania.
January. Yep,
About 60 degrees out.
very weird weather. That's why we decided to do a video outside today. Can you see it? Oh yeah, right there it is. We were just there. I'm coming. These beautiful mountains. We are so lucky to live somewhere where there's beautiful mountains all around us. There's the cave.
Oh yeah. You can actually climb all the way up there.
All the way, oh my goodness, look how big that
I've
is.
done that before, but we're not going to do that today. Yep. Maybe we'll do that on a different video one day.
Would you guys like to see a different video of us rock climbing?
Oh yeah, that was fun.
Snow. There was just a lot of snow the other day. It just got so warm all of a sudden. Right there's the beginning of, or the end of the tunnel, the cave.
That's a tunnel where you could go in the water.
Got one. Oh wow, that's a big one, Brandon.
Oh, so short. I hit the wall.
I found a piece of
Oh, I got it again.
I found a piece of I go to the water.
Piece of coral. That is a pumice stone.
We'll keep this.
You're gonna keep that? You and your rocks. Let me see. Very nice. It's a piece of pumice.
You just put that in.
Rock pocket. What else are you gonna find?
I found some really good skipping ones.
Yeah.
Some perfect ones.
All right. What do you have, Jackson? That's a big rock.
Look at this tree.
Up.
All right, time to skip one.
I almost.
Up.
All right, I hit the wall.
Whoa. Good job. Daddy's skipping.
You talk about that. Whoa.
There's tons of good skipping stones.
That is a massive rock. Whoa.
That makes a big splash.
It's a big splash. Rinse them off in the river.
Watch this one, Mommy.
Let me see.
Ready?
Yep. Oh my goodness, where did that go? I got it. You hit it.
All right, here's a big skipping stone. I don't know if it's going to go very far. We'll see.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
How about big frog? Oh, yeah.
Say, who needs toys when you can find some good
Here's a good one to
rocks?
throw up.
You found a good one to throw up.
Throw up.
There's a better one to throw up. I can't lift it.
Whoa.
Daddy, can you throw up?
That was massive.
Oh my gosh. I don't know. I might pull a muscle in my arm.
That was a big. That's big chungus.
Big Chungus, ready?
Go ahead.
Big chungus.
Wow. That was loud. Whoa. Let me see, Jackson. Whoa.
Take that.
Take that, right?
How far can I throw this one?
You find a good one?
Big chungus.
Right there. I can't even lift that one up.
Wow.
Yeah.
Whoa. Good job, Jackson.
I'm going to try to hit this one in the deeper spot right over there. It's a little darker right over there. I'm going to try to hit it.
Go ahead, Jackson. Throw it. Good job.
I found the black.
Let me see. Good job, Jackson.
I'm going to try to skip it up the river. How about that?
Mommy, I do 2 big ones.
2 ones. Oh my goodness, you're super strong. Good job. All right, do you guys want to go up this way a little bit?
Yeah.
Explore what's over here?
Yeah. Mommy,
What'd you find?
I need to go this.
Oh, you want to throw that one right? Oh my goodness. Watch on the branches.
All right, let's go over that way to the beach.
Good job.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Brandon.
That was big. Guys.
You're going to beat me there. I'm not racing.
It's a rock beach.
Ooh, there's a cool little panda.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, wow. Check that out. Check this out, guys. Look at the picture
Oh,
of the
that is
wolf.
beautiful.
It's been on there for a while. It has moss growing all over it. Brandon, look. An elephant, a lion, there's a hippo, and another hippo.
9/5/2017. So that's been on there for 3 years. Well,
Almost.
2.5 years.
That's crazy. Beautiful. Oh.
You having fun, Jackson?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
I'm so glad we get to get out in January and have a good time. And it's not freezing cold out. We've been stuck inside for way too long. We are so ready for the spring and the warm weather. Right? Oh, be careful, Jackson. You're going to get water in your boots. I'm sure that's very, very cold water.
water in my boots.
Yeah, I kind of figured that was going to happen. Is there water in your boots?
Yeah. I need to go out, Brandon.
Okay, let's go find Brandon.
They go.
Oh, he's right there. Go ahead.
I don't go this way. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, I found a little tiny crystal.
We found a little tiny crystal. Let's see. Yep. Good eye, Jackson. Oh, that's a big rock. Brandon's always picking up sticks and rocks. He's a nature boy. Hi, Daddy.
Let's go this way.
You coming? Oh my goodness, I can see you have a pocket full of rocks.
I'm a caveman.
You're a caveman. Whoa, let's be careful along these rocks. Not much of a shore here.
Yeah. I want balance.
Balance, guys, right? Balance. Are you clearing the way for us, Brandon? You're clearing the way too?
That was.
Oh, buddy. Far ahead, clearing the path.
Oh yeah. Oh, Jackson got a stick too. Perfect. All right, well, I guess I'll try to get in here.
Good luck. I'm right behind you. Oh, man.
These kids are a lot smaller than us. They can fit through little
Think small. Think small.
little spaces. Where are you taking us, Brandon? He is totally an outdoors person. Loves to explore. Whew. So all we have to do is just follow the river to get back.
We just have to follow the river. Oh my gosh, there's a mountain over there.
Yep.
I don't know what's up that mountain. That's pretty steep. You gonna try? Alright, well. Yep. Can you make it?
Oh, Brandon's gonna climb the hill. There goes little Jackson. What a trooper.
Can you get it?
Brandon all the way up there almost.
Got ya.
I guess I gotta go next.
I got ya.
Go ahead, Jackson.
Brandon, there's an easier way over that way. Between the trees. I don't know. I didn't think about that part.
Oh
yet.
my goodness, look at what's there.
Look at that.
It looks like a huge lock.
It does look like a lock, but it's not. That is massive. Look at the threads on that thing. Look at how thick that is.
Hold on, I'm trying to get up there yet.
Oh, are you okay, Jackson?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, look
That's
at
huge.
that. We came out to the road.
There's a road up there? That'll be a much easier way than through the woods.
No, we're not going to go down.
Oh, there's
here.
another
Steep.
steel thing over there. Yeah, we're not going
All right.
back down.
We can go.
Oh, we're in the parking lot.
Wow.
Cool.
That's where we came from. Maybe we could go down this way.
We came all the way up the hill. I did not know I was going to climb hills today, Brandon. I did not know I was going to climb hills today. Anything's possible with you around. You getting tired?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's take this way.
What? Let's see.
Yeah. Definitely way too steep.
Oh yeah.
I can try it.
Thing about Brandon is he tries to be a daredevil.
I'm a daredevil.
Yep.
He's a daredevil.
And I'm not.
Daredevil Brandon.
Daredevil.
Come on, guys.
All right. I don't think
What'd
there's
you
going to be a
find?
better way to the.
Oh, there's more railroad
the
ties
river.
right there.
Let's go this way.
See that?
Let's go down this way. Oh, yeah. Let's go down this way. Yeah, I'm tired. Then we need to.
Right over there's a bench. Do you want to sit on the bench?
What's the rest feel?
You want to rest on the pile of rocks?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Say, who needs a bench when you have a big pile of rocks to sit on?
How do we need to dig? Well, let's dig. Let's go in the move. Well, I'm digging.
Oh yeah. There's a nice bench.
I'm digging. I'm digging. I'm already digging. I got it.
Fence is a little wet.
I got it. Let's go.
So, we decided to go see the little waterfalls now.
Let's go, everybody.
Yep, let's go.
Let's go, everybody. Let's go, everybody. Let's go, everybody. Let's go, everybody. Let's go, everybody.
Let's go, everybody.
Let's go.
Let's go, everybody.
Brandon's super fast. Up, there goes Brandon. Jackson's turbo speed. Up, Daddy's gonna try and catch up. Jackson's all the way down there. You can see him in the orange coat. Are you coming, Jackson? Come on. Going up the hill. There you are. You made it. You're a trooper. It's a hard work, but it's satisfying hard work, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Love being outside, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at it. We're going to go underneath the bridge we walked across.
September 1941.
Oh, the graffiti.
A little hard to see. No, this is the actual bridge with pieces of steel. It was painted in September 1941.
Oh my.
What?
That is a very long time ago for a bridge. Oh, there's another bridge.
79 years.
Yep. It was so rough and rapidy over there, and now it's nice and calm. All right, this is still part of the Lehigh River. What?
You can hear flowing water over that way.
Yeah, well that's where we're going to see the waterfalls, all right over there. Look at the tree you're on. That's a pretty cool tree.
I found a hole. Come
You
on.
found a hole?
Come up.
Show me. Where?
What's in there?
What's in there? I don't see anything in there. What do you think is in there? What do you think is in there, Brandon?
I see a giant gap underneath.
A giant gap. That's where the roots kind of just
No, there's
grew.
there's a giant gap
Yeah.
under there.
It's very cool. You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're still got to go see the waterfalls, right? You ready? Oh, there's a big rock in the way.
Whoa, you're super fast.
Oh my goodness, Brandon took off again.
Daddy, I am climbing you.
Okay, you go in front of me.
You don't call them the turbo kids for nothing. They love to run. Oh, Brandon found the waterfalls. You can hear them. Hear the waterfalls. You hear it, guys? Oh, it got really cool all of a sudden. Whoa. Brandon, let me see. There's some little waterfalls. Oh my goodness. Lots of cool air all of a sudden. Oh, waterfall. So beautiful. Let's just go. There's Brandon climbing. It can be very, very dangerous. These rocks are very slippery. Look at that. Well, we made it. This is the little part of the little waterfalls. There is a bigger part, but it's prohibited for people to go up there. So this is all we can show you. Can't be still for 2 seconds.
And then up there. Hello.
Oh, where are you?
Oh my gosh.
Up there.
How'd you get up there?
Right here.
Oh.
You found a pathway?
Right here.
Whoa.
Okay.
Yeet. There he goes.
We're gonna be. Okay, we're gonna go up there.
Up where? That's where the big falls are, and we're not allowed to be up there. Because many people sadly died up there, yes. Because they weren't using their brains.
Very dangerous.
Yes, very dangerous.
Rainbow now.
Yep. For now, you should always use your brain. Where's your brain at? Yep, that's right. Leave it there.
Down to there.
You having a good time?
Yeah.
You're getting tired?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did a lot of walking today.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, good thing you have a walking stick, right?
Yeah.
Is that helping you along?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's good. Oh, Brandon's got a good braking spot.
Break time.
I need to break a long time.
You need a break? Go ahead.
Have to sit down right.
Here's a good resting spot. Nice log for us.
Oh, nice and mossy.
All right. Break time.
Break time.
We're going to
Break time, Brandon. Where are you going?
Time.
Oh, he's going to sit on this.
Look at that. It's nice and square there.
Oh yeah.
Cool. What'd you find?
Cool little foundation. Ooh, what's this? Oh man, I wonder what's inside there.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I can't
That's
see
a
anything.
deep hole.
Oh,
I don't
that's
know. Lots of trash. That's sad.
Yeah.
I was hoping it'd be like gold bars or something.
Gold. No gold.
Yep. No gold.
More than this place.
No gold in this place?
Oh no, pennies.
No pennies?
No pennies?
No pennies. You got your stick?
Yeah. I need to break.
You need a break already.
Yeah.
I think you can keep on going.
Yeah, we keep on going. Now here comes another one. Oh, yeah. It's on the pot. Oh, now he is. Ah, yeah. It's over here. Glad. Only one? Oh, no. That's two, actually.
2 birches, yeah.
Yeah, I didn't see that one. Okay. It
Oh,
can
there's
break.
mud. We're stepping in,
Really
right?
break, guys.
All this mud.
Yeah.
What are you telling the kids?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I love you.
You telling the kids you love them?
Up these tails again. That'd be even all the walk.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go up all these steps to get out. Daddy and Brandon are already up there. Go ahead, Jackson. Alright kids, now we're walking back to the car. Lots of adventures. The kids will sleep really good tonight, I bet.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe.
And subscribe, yep. Thanks for watching Team Turbo Kids TV. Catch you later.
Bye.
Bye.